morning everyone. See, today we are starting our new exercise 6D. Your question number first is subtract 7x from 4x. So 7x you have to subtract from 4x. Okay. So 4x minus 7x. So what it will become? 7 minus 4 it will become 3, but you are subtracting this greatest digit from the greater digit from the smaller digit, so the answer will come in minus. So answer is minus 3x. Now see question number, this is your A. Okay, B minus 20A from 8a. So minus 20a from 8a, it means 8a minus 20a. So minus minus it will become, when you are multiplying minus into minus it will become plus. So 8a plus 20a. So what it will become? 28a. That is your answer. Okay. Now see, C you can solve, D also you can solve. I will solve now question number F. Minus 5ABC from 7ABC. Okay. Now see 7 from minus 5ABC from 7ABC. So 7ABC will written here, minus 5ABC. So 7ABC plus 5ABC. So add this, ABC will be written here same as it is. 12ABC is your answer. Okay. Now see question number H. G you can solve. We will solve question number H. It is written 20axy from minus 5axy. So first of all you have to written here minus 5axy minus 20axy. So minus minus it will become plus. So answer will come in minus only because minus is the greatest sign. So your answer will become 25axy. That is your answer. Now see question number second. Subtract A we will solve first of all. 3a square plus 6b. 3a square plus 6b from 3a square plus 6b. Okay, same number is written here. Now see 3a square plus 6b from 3a square plus 6b. This number will return first. After that, from that you have to subtract the first number. So 3a square plus 6b minus 3a square plus 6b. Okay. Now see, this number you have written first, after that you have to return this number. So take this number in bracket, then open the bracket, 3a square plus 6b minus 3a square minus 6b. So when you are finding the similar numbers, you can directly subtract it and then you will get the answer 0. So 3a square, this is in positive, this is in negative. So you can directly subtract it. Now plus 6b and minus 6b, that also you can subtract it. So you will get the answer here 0. Okay. Now see question number B we will solve. minus 3m square minus 3m square plus 6m plus 3 from 5m square minus 9. So first of all you have to write here this 5m square minus 9. From this you have to subtract this number. So minus 3m square plus 6m plus 3. So when you are opening the bracket, the plus sign will become minus, minus sign will become plus. So 5m square minus 9. If minus is in multiplication and in bracket any sign is given, if minus sign is given, you have to change the signs. If it is minus, you have to write here plus. If it is plus, you have to write here minus. Now see, it is minus, so you can write here 3m square minus 3m square. It is in plus, you have to write in minus 6m. It is plus 3, you have to write here minus 3. Now see, subtracting, first of all see the same variables here. This is 5m square and 3m square are the same variables here. So when you are subtracting 5m square minus 3m square, you will get here 2m square. Okay, minus 6m will be written here same as it is. So minus 9 minus 3. It will become plus, minus, minus, plus. So answer will come in minus 12. So this is your answer. Okay. Now see question number C. C you have to solve. Now I will solve question number E. C and D both you have to solve. I will solve on question number E. Minus 3a square plus 4ab minus 2b square from 3a square plus 4ab minus 3b square. Okay. Now see, 3a square plus 4ab minus 3b square minus 3a square plus 4ab minus 2b square. So you have to change the signs. 3a square plus 4ab minus 3b square minus, it will become plus 3a square, minus will become your minus 4ab and plus 2b square. Now see, 3a square plus 3a square, it will become 6a square. 4ab, that you can directly subtract it. Minus 3b square plus 2b square, what it will become? Minus b square. Only one will remain here when you are subtracting 3b square plus 2b square. Minus sign is given here. So this is your answer. Now see question number F. Four xy minus 4xy minus 5yz minus 3xz from 18xy plus 4yz. So 18xy plus 4yz minus 4xy minus 5yz minus 3xz. So 18xy plus 4yz minus 4xy plus 5yz plus 3xz. Okay. Now see, what is given here, which is the x term, xy term. 18xy minus 4xy, it will become 14xy. 4yz, 5yz, it will become plus 9yz. Then only one term is remaining here on 3xz. Okay, so this is your answer. Now see question number G, you can solve. H I will solve now. G you have to solve. h I will solve. That is 5abc minus 18a square bc from 20abc plus 12ab square c minus 4a square bc. Now see, first of all write 20abc plus 12ab square c minus 4a square bc minus 5abc minus 18a square bc. Okay, so first of all open the brackets. 20abc plus 12ab square c minus 4a square bc minus 5abc plus 18a square bc. Now see, first of all see the terms. First of all 20abc and minus 5abc. So 20 minus 5 it will become 15abc. Now 12ab square c, can you see any term like this, ab square c? No. So minus 4a square bc and 18a square bc. So it will become plus 14a square bc, and which is the term remaining here, it will become plus 12ab square c. So this is your answer. Now see, question number I, you can solve it or I have to solve it. I will solve question number I also. It is somewhat typical, so I will solve it. ax plus bx plus c from 8x square plus 4y square minus 3z square. Now see, 8x square plus 4y square minus 3z square minus ax plus bx plus c. So 8x square plus 4y square, sorry, ax, wait. Sorry, I have written wrong question here. ax plus bx plus c from 7ax minus 8bx minus 5c. So 7ax minus 8bx minus 5c minus ax plus bx plus c. Now see, 7ax minus 8bx minus 5c minus ax minus bx minus c. So subtract it, 7ax minus ax, it will become 6ax minus 8bx minus bx, it will become minus 9bx minus 5c minus c will become minus 6c. So this is your answer. Okay. Now see question number J. Minus 5a square b plus 3ab square plus 11 minus 7a square b plus 8ab square minus. See, this is your question number J. But see here one line is given, hint in JKL subtract the second expression from first. So the second expression you have to write on the first place and first expression you have to write on the second place. Okay, so solution, minus 7a square b plus 8ab square minus 18. Okay, then minus 5a square b plus 3ab square plus 11. Okay, now subtract it. When you are subtracting it, it will become plus. So minus plus it will become minus only. So minus 2a square b. Now minus into plus it will become minus. So plus 5ab square minus into plus, it will become minus, so minus minus plus, so 18 plus 11 29 and answer will come in minus. Okay, see here you will get here the sign is given in minus, so your answer will come in minus 5ab square minus 29. Okay, now see question number K you have to solve and question number I will solve. y square plus 5y minus 4, 4y square minus 5y plus 8. See there one expression, one hint is given that in I, J and K you have to change the expression, that from second expression you have to subtract the first expression, but here you can see here this 9y square plus 5y minus 4 is greater than 4y square minus 5y plus 8. So directly you have to subtract here, you don't no need to change the expressions here. Okay, if you are changing the expression you will not get the correct answer. So directly subtract it. When you are subtracting it, it will become 5y square minus minus plus, so it will become 10y plus 10y minus plus, it will become minus, minus minus plus, so it will become minus 12. Okay, see in question number L, in question number L, so it is not I, it is L. Okay, in this question no need to change the expression, don't minus 4y square minus 5y plus 8 to 9y square plus 5y minus 4. Directly solve it, otherwise you will not get the answer, because you can see here 9y square plus 5y minus 4. First digit is greater than the second digit, so you can directly subtract it. So listen here, again I will solve once more. L 9y, see I will solve by both the methods, then you will understand. Plus 5y minus 4, 4y square minus 5y plus 8. When you are solving it, it will become 5y square minus minus plus, it will become plus 10y minus plus minus, so it will become minus 12. Okay, so when you are solving by interchanging the digits, so minus 4y square minus, or I will write here 5y plus 8, subtracting 9y square plus 5y minus 4. Now see, when you are subtracting 4 minus 9, you will get the answer in minus, minus minus plus, it will become plus, so minus minus plus 13y square minus 13y square, it will become minus, so minus minus plus, it will become minus 10y minus minus plus minus 12, so it will become plus 12. Now see, this is your correct answer, this is your wrong answer, so don't interchange the digits, just directly solve this only question number L. Okay, now see question number 3, simplify. Question number 3, simplify the following. 5 minus 3 minus x minus 8. Okay, solve it. 5 minus 3 minus, first of all open the brackets, x plus 8 minus minus plus, it will become 5 minus 3 11 minus x, 5 minus 11 minus x. Now what it will become? Minus 6 minus x. So x minus 6 also you can, minus x minus 6, that also you can write. Sorry, it will become, wait, plus. So x minus 6 is your answer. Okay, what I have did here, 5 minus 3 minus small bracket x minus 8, then curly bracket closed. Now see, first of all, according to the BODMAS rule, this question you have to solve according to the BODMAS rule. So when you are, first of all, whenever you want to solve the expression, first of all you have to solve the small bracket. So which is the small bracket here? You cannot solve because one is the variable and one is the constant given here. So directly open this small bracket. When you are opening the small bracket, 3 plus 8, it will become 11 minus will remain the same. So again minus is given before the bracket. So when you are multiplying minus into minus, the x will become in plus. 5 minus 11 and x, when you are subtracting it, 5 minus 11, it will become minus 6 and x will remain same. Now see question number B. 15 minus 3 plus 5 minus x minus 7. Okay, now how we will solve it? First of all, solve the small bracket. Small bracket is given here, so open it. 15 minus 3 plus 5 minus x plus 7. Now 15 minus 3 plus 7 plus 5, it will become your 12 minus x. Okay, now see, 15 minus, open the curly bracket, 3 plus 12 minus x. So 15 minus, it will become 15 minus x. Okay, now see, 15 minus 15 minus x. So divide it, minus x is your answer. Sorry, it will also become plus, so answer is plus x. Now see, question number D. C you have to solve. Question number D we will solve. 3a minus a plus b minus a plus b plus c minus a plus b plus c plus d. Now see, 3a minus a plus b minus, first of all solve the small brackets, a plus b plus c minus, see before bracket this minus is given here, so change the signs. So we will change the sign, minus a minus b minus c minus d, curly bracket, big bracket. Now see, 3a minus a plus b minus. Now see, this is a, you can directly subtract it. See, only minus d is remaining here. Now see, 3a minus a plus b minus minus plus d. Okay, when you are 3a minus a minus b minus d. So 3a minus a, it will become 2a minus b minus d. Okay. Now see question number F. Question number F we will solve. एक्स वाई प्लस एक्स वाई माइनस 4x क्यूब प्लस 3x माइनस 5 माइनस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 माइनस एक्स वाई प्लस एक्स क्यूब माइनस 4. Now see एक्स वाई प्लस एक्स वाई माइनस 4x क्यूब प्लस 3x माइनस 5. Now minus 3x square minus 4, sorry plus 4 it will become, now minus xy minus x cube plus 4. Okay, now open this bracket also, xy plus xy minus, okay, 4x cube plus 3x minus 5 minus 3x square plus 4 minus xy minus x cube plus 4. Okay, now see which is the similar term here, xy, this xy you can divide by this xy. Okay, now see minus 4x cube and minus x cube, what it will become, minus 5x cube. Minus 3x square will remain here same, minus 3x square. Now xy will also remain here same, plus xy. Now 3x is remaining here, 3x plus 3x. Now minus 5 plus 4, it will become, first of all 8 this, 4 plus 4 it will become 8, 8 minus 5 it will become plus 3. Okay, so this is your answer, minus 5x cube minus 3x square plus xy plus 3x plus 3. Okay, so this is your question number F, last question of third question. Now see from question number 4 to question number 16 that we will solve tomorrow. So today you have to solve the remaining questions of this exercise. See, most of the students are asking me the questions which I am giving for homework, that they are asking in doubts. So these questions are for you. If you are not solving it, you are not even trying to solve it, then how you can get the answer? बहुत सारे बच्चे मुझसे पूछते हैं मैम ये वाला क्वेश्चन मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आपने ट्राई करा ही नहीं उसको, एक बार भी ट्राई नहीं किया तो आपको आएगा कैसे वो? सो पहले उसको ट्राई करो, उसके बाद मुझे आप उसकी पिक्चर भेजो, इमेज भेजो कि मैम हमने सॉल्व करके देखा, हमको क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है, उसके बाद मैं आपको समझाऊंगी, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू ट्राई इट 10 times. ओके, थैंक यू.